morning, my dear friends. I am Hrithik Sudhakar. I am studying a BTech degree in Artificial Intelligence Machine Learning at Savitha Engineering College, Chennai. Today we are going to see about efficient searching method called as linear searching algorithm. In the world of searching algorithms, the linear searching algorithm is a fundamental technique for finding elements in a collection. So let's dive into the topic directly. As you suggest, linear search basics are the linear search algorithm is a simple method for finding a target value within a list or an array. It sequentially checks an element until a match is found or list is exhausted. They mean that the list until we reach the end of a list or an array. This approach is suitable for small data sets or unsorted lists and array. Algorithm steps. To perform a linear search, we have to iterate through an element. That means we have to iterate through an array for searching an element and compare it with the target value. If a match is found, we have to return the index. If the entire list is traversed without a match, we have to indicate that the target is not present. Time complexity. The time complexity for the linear search algorithm is big O of n, wherein is the number of elements in the list, and this means that the algorithm performance is directly proportional to the size of the input. Best use cases. Linear search is ideal for small data sets or situations where the list is unsorted. It is also suitable for sequential success scenarios where the elements are not in a specific order. Now let's dive into the code, my dear friends. We have to define a function called linear search or any other user-defined function by yourself. And this function basically gets three arguments, namely an input array and the length of the array and the element to be searched for. This the first line of the code defines the function, and the second line we are going to implement a for loop friends. This for loop ranges from 0 to the length of the array, which we are going to specify as n. And third line we are going to leave a if condition where the element which we are going to search for is compared with every element of the given array. And if the condition gets true, we have to return the index portion of the specified element, my dear friends. If the condition gets false, basically we'll return a negative value of 1. And that's all about the function part. And we'll get into the main part of the code. We are going to get an user-defined array, which we are going to use the eval input method. And then we have to get the element to be searched for. And then we have to find the length of the array using the built-in function called len. And we have to, as I mentioned, this is an unsorted array. We have to sort it before feeding into the function. So we have to use the built-in function called array.sort, and we have to sort the given array. And after sorting, we'll create a variable called result, and we'll make the function call into that. And we have to leave an if condition. If the result is equal to -1, as I said, if the function fails, if the result is -1, we'll print it as element is not found. And if the condition gets true and we find a match for the given array, the result will be the element found is at the index position, and we have to print the result variable. That's all about the linear search, my dear friends. Thank you. So, in the conclusion, we get to know that the linear search algorithm provides a straightforward approach to finding elements within a list, my dear friends. While it may not be the most efficient for larger data sets, sorted data sets, it serves as a foundational concept in the world of searching algorithms. So, thank you for watching. Cheers.